another sign that suggests that it's 50 kilometers an hour ahead. And here's the official sign that says 50
In 500
begins.
meters, turn left.
Okay. Now this is what I'm saying. This thing says 500 meters ahead, turn left. But if you don't know what 500 meters look like, you could be turning into an earlier street. Okay? So anyway, I don't know if 500 meters means I make a
Turn
left.
left.
Yes, it says turn left, so I know that it's definitely here. So it's a left turn at the stop sign. Behind the white line, stop. Now can I see clearly both ways? Yes, and it's safe. So I make the turn. And it's 50 kilometers here. I'm doing 60, so I want to slow it down a little bit. Now this sign says 70 begins, so I increase my speed to 70. And then this sign says 80 begins, so I increase my speed to 80 kilometers an hour. Got some nice cornfields to the left here. Beautiful.
In 600 meters, turn right.
Okay. So do I know what 600 meters look like? I don't, but I guess the GPS will tell me again, turn right. So I'm waiting for it to tell me.
Turn right.
Okay, so I know this is it coming up. So I put my right signal on, check my rear view mirror, slow it down to 20 to 25, make my turn.
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Thank you very much. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.